Hello friends and hello student. My name is Ashok Sijala. In this session we learn the write and read file in C language. So file management. So let us start. I share my laptop screen and fix the position so you can watch better my video lecture. And here Turbo C++, I double click and take some process, and yes, now is open. So Alt F file menu and taking new file, and here our goal, write a program to write and read a file. Yes, so here we first write and read. So in my previous video lecture, all the what is data file, text types of text file and binary file, then file mode we have to see, and f open, f close syntax also. And then here we can also use four function, f open, f close, and get c and put c. So yes, let us first we can take the syntax, alter h help menu and f open. So I already give the syntax in my previous video lecture. So open a stream, okay, f open, and here that is a syntax, that is giving the file pointer. File pointer is a defined data type. So here you can pass the constant character file name and constant character mode. So mode is a write, for W for write, R for reading, and F for append, and W plus write, reading, R plus A plus all are reading writing is possibility. So yes, here first that is f open, then alter f1, then you can go index, and then f close. So that is a close. So close a stream and just pass the file stream pointer. So first we can see the our previously, yes, here first like our index, yes, here go in index. So that type we can see our uh, index. So that is a f open is a three tags. So we can pass to our path. There are three tags. So first search the file. If file is a get, that first load in the buffer and first character assigned to our file pointer. So and that is a searching and loading in buffer and then assigned to first character to our file pointer. So there are three tasks of f open, and same three tasks is a f close. So here we can say that f close function. So that function is also three tasks. So yes, I get yes now. So there is first, that is a store our buffer file to hard disk, then that is put to the our file as the end of file, and that is 26 ASCII letter, and then this terminate to buffer and hard disk to disconnect the link. So there are three tasks of f close also function. And now we can see the first put c and get c. So both are same help window. So here get c is a macro that get a one character from a string. String means collection of bytes, and put is a macro that outputs a one character to a string, and from. So here is a write and here is a read. So that is a syntax already provided in help menu. So I cannot write get c and put c. So get c take one file stream pointer and put c integer and then file stream. Both return type is integer. So now let us start. I accept key and back to our editor. And here first we can take our header file. So standard input output library itself store the file defined data type is a or file pointer. So let us take means that define data type. So now first we can write and then read. So yes, here we can take one character ch and then file, that is capital and asterisk fp file pointer, and then clear screen. And we can first open one file, fp equal to f open function is there. We can recently see that syntax. So here we can default, here there is in this editor not change the our required drive. So we can default like turbo C3 and double slash and then bin, yes, bin directory or folder, we can say that, and then we can store like temp.txt or any file name you, that is a write for new notepad file. And here we can mode, that is in double quote only one character, but double quote, that is file mode write. So if file in this temp is exists, so that is erase all content and creating that, if not exist, so creating, and if exists, so delete all the content. So we can provide the here new name to any our file name, otherwise that content is all are deleted by write mode. So yes, that is a we can take, and now we can start to one message first. So here enter file details. Yes, so we can give one message and while loop, and that we can take not equal to EOF, end of file pointer. Okay, so ch and that get chr, here we can use get chr. So character by character write, I put c, that is a write, and here that get character, that is a taking from keyboard from user, and here we can pass two arguments ch and then fp, and then we can close that file. So that is a write. So here we can use the for function first, f open get chr and then put c and f close. So yes, that is file write, and then I copy and paste to for reading. So here get ch, yes, and then here we can set the message. So here we can again open for read mode. Yes, here same file we can read mode, and not here we can the file uh, the file detail r. Yes, here we can use that type of message, and then here we can use the ch get c. So that pass the fp file pointer. Okay, and not yes, here we require the ch to our handler. Yes, so that taking and not, yes, that all are here also require, and here we can use the printf percentage c character and then ch our variable. And also if we if a file is not any path or file name is not exit perfectly, so fp assigned to null value. Okay, in capital null is provided. So capital null. So if file name is wrong or any problem of path in your, so here that assign fp is a null. So we can, that is validation means take carrying. So here we can take one message. So in my previous video I already file can't open. So if not open, so how we can read, or we can give any message for suitable. So yes, here I can file cannot open because, and then we have to not read, so return. So yes, I first save, so write and read, and we can write read text file dot c. So yes, that save, and then I remove this blank. Yes, all are well. Let us check any. So here there are two sections. First we can here to here, uh, yes, here to here, that is a write, and then here I divide two parts. So here is a reading. So here in your mind question, how, first we can write and how that EOF end of file pointer is find out not equal to. So that question answer when we can save runtime, we can save our file, and there are control Z or F function key. There are two possibility. So that time end of file is automatically appear in that file, and condition is not equal to but equal to, so that false our while loop and come out and close the file. So first that f open, that open this file to a particular folder or that subfolder or directory, and then linking to our buffer and first character assigned to our FP file pointer. And then we can write possible to put C. Yes, here get CHR is a taking from keyboard value one character by character, and then put C is a put to in file, right? And then close that file. So close function, there are three tasks. First call file, we cannot directly write to in our temp.txt file, that is in read write in buffer, and then after fclose function buffer all content put into our original that file in hard disk, and then that put the end of file pointer uof, and that ASCII code is 26, and then terminate the buffer and hard disk to terminate that link. So that is, we can originally not directly file reading writing in possibility, so buffer we have to write and reading possibility. So whenever we can read mode open that file, so f open search that file, and that file load into the buffer and first character assigned to the fp. So we can read that all f open is always load into buffer or search that file, and then if possible, if file is exit, then load and first character assigned to our file pointer. So there are three types of f open function. So yes, I save and then compile. Yes, there is no any error, and our wr write read dot text file exe generated. So let us take I yes, and here there you can see your chain directory. The default is a path is turbo c3 bin. Yes, that is default pathing. That here we cannot take an our drive. Yes, here look a b c c and z. So fe, that is my laptop, that drive is not appear in this editor. So in my laptop there are two editor in next editor, but that full screen is not possible in. So I can use this editor. So yes, let us check. Yes, and control F9, I run this program. So enter file details. So we can say that we are students. Yes, we are student. That, and control Z. Yes, you can also write a second line like we are F5BCA student same one, that type of message, and control Z. So you can look in the file, that is EOF sign, and when we can enter, so that is a yes reading. So very easily, so that is the end of file. Automatically we can put our so many line you have to write line any in your file. That is no limitation. So that is not specified, and we can that character by character first get all content, and here we can put the watch window so you can get the idea. So yes, and first we can see, yes, here write and read both the file detail are, but we can also check our drives that that file is right, but that is definitely right. So then we can read. But I press the window key. Yes, here some antivirus message I gone and make close, and then C drive. Yes, I select the, and here that C drive is there, and then turbo C plus plus, and then disk folder is there, and turbo C and bin folder. So here temp for T, so tem, yes, here is their file, and I open. So you look here, we are student, and we are student F5BCSM1. So yes, that is definitely right. So we can read. So here that automatically in that file created txt notepad file. So we can open in notepad directly, double click. So that open in notepad. So yes, that very easily. And here you can see in my desktop here two editors. So in this editor, not possibility we can save our file in particular folder, but that editor we can save. But that is limitation. Full screen is not here. Is full screen possibility. So in my video lecture, I take this editor, so you can watch perfect way my video lecture. So yes, there is now very easily. So yes, here we can write and read, and let us take watch window, how that possibility write and read to our particular file. So here I control F8, you have to know very well. We have to put a specific watch window in selection, control F8. Here red line is appear. And now I control F9. but we can take first watch window. So Alt W, and here our watch window is there. So here only ch is there, only one our variable, because that and other is file pointer, so only one variable. So yes, I some size, yes, and also alter W, and we can take output window. So yes, here I take, so our previous content here is there, and now I control F9. So all first that is start here. So let us take, I control uh, press alter R, and here trace into F7 function key. So I press F7. So here we can say that we are students. That only one line I write, and control Z. So that sign is end of file. So only one line, so we can take in watch window. So how it's possible? So here look our output, and first get here online one line is accepted by all this while loop, but at a time that taking ch, because get ch are not taking one line at a time, only one first W, that is a V. So W, that first character take, and then put C, that is put, and not end of file, that is a here not end of file. Press F7, so you can look now automatically is jump to the next E letter character. So V R, so V for E second letter selected, and put C is put one character to file pointer. So that sequence is continuous. You now blank, and then R for first letter A. So that is getting one character and putting. So that watch window you can then you can yes, now blank, and student for S reaching. Yes, so here continue this process by press F7, and student E now and last T. Yes, now T and dot also write in the file. Yes. So look here. Now that is a sign of end of file. And here our condition while loop not equal to end of file, but that is end of file. Control Z I press. So that terminate while loop. Yes. So yes, that close and close. So buffer all content input into the our that temp.txt file, and then put into the end of file pointer, and then link, and our file buffer is link is terminate. So F close, and again for this file open for reading in load into the buffer, not we can directly read in hard disk. So in writing and reading or any file management, we can append mode or write in read mode, that is sequential file, that is also random access file, but that any situation, any operation you can write or read or append or randomly search your content in the file. All cases you can get from buffer, not directly hard disk that file we have to take any operation on file management. So that is every time F open load into the buffer, and then we can take some operation, and F close terminate that link. That is a very important. So both function is very important work, F open and F close. So now yes, that file open again, and not FP is a here. Yes, here let us take FP is a not assigned. That is some address to first character to our buffer of character byte store, because that is a pointer. So that takes some address, that starting buffer address, and then press F7. So not if condition is false, and then our message is printf. Yes, here the file detail are, and then again same process, get C, take file pointer one character and assign to ch, and at a time one character by character. So you can look W is a reading in the our console screen, that mono screen also console screen. So we can conio.h console input output. So that header file we have to import. So yes, that now yes, now taking from file one by one character and put, so get C and printf function here we can use. So yes, now student, you can look one character at a time, taking file pointer and assign to ch. Yes, here ch is character, and percentage C and ch we have to print in printf. So whenever end of file appear, that type number of while loop is repetition. Okay, now complete. You can look here dot, and then not equal to, but that we also that file is put on that is 26 letter. So that is a file pointer. Yes, and now we add ch, so we can one line and same file that all content previously we can write two line, but that erase all that content because that file exit and you can open in write mode. So previously all content then deleted. So yes, I control first F9 press, so that watch window, and again I go and this red line and control F8, so that red line is gone. So our watch window is closed, means termination this watch window red line. So particular sequence we can see the watch window how write and read possibility. So very simple and very interesting. So you can also use other editor, means I see in my desktop there are two editor. So that is particular drive you can store your file here. Only C drive we can turbo C and bin folder we can write and read. But here there are no facility in this turbo. So drive not listed in our hard disk drive. So yes, so you can use other editor, but that editor full screen is not possible. But in your practice there is no needed to full screen, so you can easily any editor you have to use. Okay, so now yes, write this program to your C notebooks. Very interesting and very right. First we can write, yes, here write and read. Yes, so write and read. Okay, now I close this file, and here that is validation. So if null pointer assigned, here we can take like one mistake by ourselves. So I remove one black slash and let us run this file. So yes, that write is perfectly. We are F5 BCA students SAM1, that okay, students SAM1 and control Z. So that not reading because file can't open. So that time any your file path is not properly, so that is a directly written here, written keyword use, so that is a work. So here not any mistake we can take place, any file name, folder name, typing mistake or spelling mistake. So that is a appear. Now let us take, I run again this file. So that again erase all content, and like we can view this is a computer and the file management. Okay, so yes, here I okay. So now backspace is allowed. So file management I can take one blank, but here yes, erase is possible, but backspace key is not allowed in file writing time. So yes, file management in C language. Yes, and dot and control Z. So yes, that perfectly right for read. So that is a file write and read. So two mode we can see, write mode and that read mode. Yes. So now I close this file. So very simple session for your knowledge. Very interesting. So Alt F3 function key. Yes. Watch window output and quit Alt X. So yes, subscribe my channel Ashok Sijalai. Press the bell icon to never miss any update. Thanks for your watching, supporting, and sharing my video lecture. And Hare Krishna.